咁耐世紀都未試過開齊4個爐。咁呢邊呢係整呢個昨日的美食教嘅東坡肉。咁呢邊呢就煎呢個明天會更好使用說明書教嘅高麗菜湯。咁啊呢個係湯底。咁而家開始煲。當我煎緊高麗菜嘅時候，4爐齊開。呢度呢唔係智雲，但係呢焗飯啊。下整為零，東坡肉仍然係1鍋。咁但係呢，呢個高麗菜高湯呢，就由3鍋變成1鍋。咁中間呢，我想去挺啲，變咗好似有翻個菜型咁呢，就攝啲豆腐同菇。咁變咗個湯呢，嗰個味道會豐富啲嘅。跟住咧又飲酒啦，佢已經飲咗1罐，而家再飲。跟住咧漏我哋飲少少，佢就可以飲多多。好，我哋咧今次咧唔係新式，係北海道白米。哎呦，高麗菜湯，飲杯。個湯幾深色，好正。你可能真係要啲飯。
I went up also took a nap. Not as long as yours.
No, I wasn't sleeping. I was
watching YouTube.
I was. There's a YouTube channel that talk about all the mystery murder cases.
You can watch it. Yeah.
No, I fell asleep here. And then I wanted to go up and sleep, and then but maybe let me finish that and then I finished one and then I watched another one.
Is it a series?
It's not serious, like mostly it's a marriage in US or
One after
something,
the other,
one
whatever,
after the other.
different-
Like it happens
different
many
real
years
cases.
ago
Okay.
and all those mysteries.
Real movies.
Yeah. You know, it started from the YouTube channel. You know the clip that I showed you about the money heist in Canada.
Yeah.
It started from there. I don't know why that it popped up here,
Okay.
and then so now I started.
I just introduced that money heist to her, and then she start watching, and after she watched that, and then she watched one after the other.
This is
You
huge.
might need this.
This is huge.
Yeah.
I didn't know it's this big.
Yeah, because it looks nice when it's everything more integral and complete. 你自己不湯嚟，
好，
你多與少，跟住你自己得。
唔該。
Suppose 呢個咧就我嚟不湯就開心啲，不靚啲。呢個湯今次好入味嘅。
邊個？
呢個咯，我冇落豉油嘅，但係個湯咧個色咧幾濃厚，tastes so good。台灣的東坡肉應該比較濃吧
It's not like this.
？Yeah，
We have a very big piece, and they kind of. The sauce is much more salty.
that's what I say。比較濃郁，有個說比較清淡。
Yeah.